Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the maintenance of your Lenovo IdeaPad 314IIL05, concentrating on how to install a new hard drive. Begin by gathering the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any dust entering your device. First, power down your laptop and unplug it from the wall. Remember to remove any connected devices, such as USB drives or external monitors. Once this is done, place your laptop on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your device. You will typically find 5 or 6 Phillips screws securing the panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you do this, applying too much force may damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. With the back panel off, you should see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the hard drive bay, which is usually marked. Disconnect the existing hard drive by gently pulling the connector out. If you are replacing an old hard drive, take this opportunity to clean the internal area with compressed air to remove any dust buildup. This maintenance step ensures better airflow and longevity for your device. Now, take your new hard drive and align it with the connector in the bay. Secure it in place, ensuring it clicks in properly. Double-check the connection to avoid issues during startup. After installing the hard drive, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel onto the device, ensuring all clips align. Replace the screws one by one, tightening them securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Now that your laptop is reassembled, power it on. If you've installed a new hard drive, you may need to format it before use. Go to your operating system's disk management tool to initialize the new drive. If you feel uncomfortable performing these steps or don't have the necessary tools, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, making the process seamless for you. No calls, no travel, just a straightforward solution. In case you choose to seek professional help, we provide a quote before any repairs are made, ensuring you are informed before we proceed. This way, you can make the best decision for your device without any surprises. In summary, maintaining your Lenovo IdeaPad 314IIL05 and installing a new hard drive can be a straightforward process with the right tools and guidance. By following these steps, you can ensure your laptop runs smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.